Hello and welcome to another bike ride. As you can see, today it's cold, windy and rainy. However, I'm optimistic that I might make it before the rain starts. Thanks for all of you who loved my bike videos. So this one is for you. Even biking in a weather which is not very like sunny and pleasant, but more like freezy and cold. But also these days are possible. And at least I get a bit of exercise. I thought more of you would be interested in my video of the Schloss Kapfenburg because I found it quite impressive. But it looks like that I was more or less alone in this opinion. But so be it. So here we are again in the woods with not so much sunshine this time. And we try to bike to a place which is called Wellenstein. Never been there. So I will see how it will be. Looks like it goes a bit uphill. So not too quick of a ride probably. Again, very nice, the greenery here. But it's also quite steep. I'm not sure you can see on the camera how steep it is. But it requires a certain amount of pedaling. So let's see how we go. Oh, here it says this way, which looks particular. All right. That looks more like a walkway than a bikeway. Let's check it out. Ah, it reminds me like the deep, dark forest and the green tails were basically everywhere. Some little wolf could come around the corner. Very interesting. Very mysterious. Oh, bump. Ah, this was not the best thing. Ah, ah, ah. This is called a bike accident. Unfortunately, I had a helmet. Oh, fortunately, I had a helmet because without a helmet, that would be full force into the tree with the head first. So, I think I better take it easy from here and go the way back, which I came, and look that I don't have a concussion. So, it can happen. It's a good reminder. You should use a bike helmet. And you should not use your bike on a slippery slope. So we learned something. Let's take a look if I and the bike are okay. Yeah, hand has a wound. Head should be fine, I hope. Just check the helmet. No, should be okay. At least the helmet. My head we will see later. Okay, helmet on again. Right, let's see how it works. Oh, my mirror is gone. I lost it. Okay. Bike seems to be fine. Oh, guys, that was really scary. So by telling you about the wolf thing, I should better be telling you how I was instead of the wolf. So, but it is how it is. Let's hope my neck and my head is alright. And sometimes scary moments also have a good outcome because you're reminded that, yeah, sometimes you can be a bit careful. I always underestimate the steepness of the slopes here. When I go up, it doesn't look so steep, but when I go down, it's much, much, much steeper. Now, I think I will take a short rest here on the bench. I think I've earned it. But good thing it hasn't rained. So, for the moment, I will just leave you here and talk to you to a later time when I know what happened. Thank you.
Thank you for watching for my videos, and if you like it or you have any opinion or any question, please don't forget to leave the comment or press like to give me a support, or even subscribe for me as well. And in case that you're interested, please look for my other videos. Thank you very much and see you for the next time. Bye bye.